Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Straight out wide. Lovely bit of skill. Bruno Fernandes. Didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance. Hoists it forward. It's got through to him. Real chance! No, not quite. Bruno Fernandes. It's on a plate. Rashford! The invitation was received with such a clever run, and he had that defence in utter confusion. Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Get the pass he's looking for. Looking to force his way through. Couldn't quite sort it out. For his opponent. Giggs, scorer already in the game.
Thank God that the brothers
Well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Juventus are actually displaying tremendous fighting spirit.
You see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always got a time out. And for critic, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing.
Just miss it. They are up and running already. Manchester United get it back again. Chance! To play it back. Has a hit! Hardly anything between the sides, and it's 1-0. He's gone for it! And it's Fallen. It's Fallen! Great run, this is great. Oh, Danny's asking, go for goal!
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started. And we cannot wait for the contest to life. Certainly this is a very, very... Forlan. Bruno Fernandes. Oh, real, and the shot! defensive work. It take too much imagination to guess what would have happened otherwise.
Well, he was thinking about headlines, I'm sure, but
Shot goal! Has a pop! That is some save from Keylor Navas!
has to be done now, no question about it.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
Bruno Fernandes hoists it forward. Has a goal! Is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. Big chance! Oh, that's fantastic! Moves to the cross. Up to meet it! Driving on, a real charge here. Up he goes!